If your affiliate marketing side hustle isn't producing the income and results you really want, you're probably making one of these really simple mistakes. And I share the pain and frustration. The whole point of a side hustle income is it's supposed to be an income. And sometimes you can spend more money than you're actually earning. So stick around. And in this video, I will show you the 5 biggest mistakes people make when starting out an affiliate side hustle income. And if you don't make these mistakes, your affiliate side hustle income will run as smooth as Don Johnson standing on a Miami beach. The biggest mistake people make when they start an affiliate marketing side hustle is you go to Amazon and you sign up with Amazon's affiliate program. You then go into Amazon and find the biggest ticket items that you can buy, and you start getting those links. Maybe you've heard that there's a real market for men's expensive watches. So you go into Amazon, you see what's on offer, and there are lots of watches over £1,000, and you grab your affiliate link and you start to put it all over your social media. But guess what? Who do you know that is actually going to spend £1,000 or $1,500 on someone they have never seen before in their life, just on a little link that they've put on the internet? You have set yourself up for failure. And that leads us to the second big mistake people make, and one I made myself, and that is pick a niche or a product you actually know about. I've seen some friends that were really doing great work in the dating niche, and so I thought that's the way to go. So I decided to go down the dating niche and picked Russian and Ukrainian dating. Unfortunately, I knew nothing about Russian and Ukrainian dating, and therefore I had actually nothing of value to give the people that were coming to visit my site. I even created a Facebook page which is live today with over 4,000 followers, but to this day, no one has actually clicked the link to sign up for the affiliate product. So pick a niche or a product you know about, that you're passionate about, and you can talk about, and so that you can actually give great value. And once you've picked the product and niche that you're passionate about, the next thing to do, and the other next big mistake, is people skimp on their digital assets. You know what it's like, you see it. There are freebie websites and freebie hosting out there which don't allow you to do everything you want to do. If you want to make an affiliate marketing side hustle work, you need to have your own domain names, your own hosting, because then you can build out your websites and your blogs and create content. This is the big mistake. We need to create content that's going to build up our trustworthiness, show people our knowledge, and that way people will get to know, like, and trust us, and potentially buy from us and believe us when we say this product is worth having. You can buy domain names for $10 a domain name. If you get it over 2 years, you probably get it for a penny on the first year. And hosting you can get for as little as $5 a month. And that way you can host as many sites as you like. This gives you your own digital assets that you can then use to build relationships. But having built your blogs and your websites and your content, you need to let people know where it is. And this is the next biggest mistake people make, is they do very poor keyword research. Now, you need to get keywords. People type into search engines words and phrases in order to find information, and this is where we find our clients. So we need to do our keyword research. What is it that people are searching? Ubersuggest, TubeBuddy, Google AdWords. All these have got free search engines, or even just type it into the Google search bar and see the drop-down list that comes when you do that. And also, if you type in what you think people are searching, scroll down that first page of Google, and at the bottom, Google will show you other related search terms. So you want to create content around those search terms because you know people are looking for them. And then the fifth biggest mistake people make is not having a follow-up system, not having an email follow-up system. So you need to capture people's email addresses. That way, you can then give them super value and nurture and build a relationship with a potential client. Lead with value. Let people have something for free in exchange for their email address. For me here, we've got access to a free 4-video training series, or you can access my free book, Side Hustles That Actually Work, in 2021. In both of those, there is a ton of free information, which is certainly worth someone's email address. And the bonus mistake, number 6 now, is people try to do affiliate marketing without any training. Maybe you just watched a couple of YouTube videos with some crazy gurus. I wouldn't recommend that. You need some solid training to understand the building blocks of what you need to do and at least give yourself the chance of success. This is what my friends have done already. They have had the same training I have. They were able to give up their day jobs, kiss their bosses goodbye, and have lives of financial freedom that they can enjoy living anywhere in the world they choose. And I'm giving you the access to the same training. Click the link below and it will take you to a free 4-video training series with my great friend and mentor, Stuart Ross. In these free trainings, he explains all the different ways you can use the internet to make money and use your passion to create an income and live a life that you deserve. Be able to spend more time with your wife and kids, have more time with your family, have more money in your back pocket so you can make decisions that you want to make and not be forced by your circumstances. So click that link below and I'll see you on the other side.